Hey guys, what's up? Alan here, and today I'm at the beautiful Grafton beach in Tobago. I just wanted to make a little short video today showcasing this lovely beach. It's one of my favorites in Tobago, and I have a beautiful day presented to me, so I figured why not make a quick little video showing it off. I'm going to walk from one end to the next and just film the basic stuff along the way. It's a very simple beach, it's not very large. This beach is particularly attractive to persons who like to come and swim and relax with their families, as the water is normally very calm and safe for swimming. It's also a beach that has restaurants, a lot of activity on it during the busier times of the year, and therefore it's a quite common place for people with their families and their children to come and have a little swim, eat some food, and just all around generally relax. Truly one of the gems of Tobago. So let's go and have a look now. And please, if you do like this video, like and subscribe and share it with your friends. So I hope you guys enjoy. Come along with me, let's go. So every morning the fishermen come out and they pull up their nets looking for today's catch, and the seagulls all flying around them, harassing them, while people pull up and come to take home their bounty. Like this.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Sorry?
Where you bring that thing yesterday? Watching in the face. That is John, man.
No. No, that only private.
I said that's how you offer.
I see you pointing, and trying to find where is he trying to point me to.
Tell you, look for fish and then
I was looking for the fish. I thought you were telling me there's a shark or a turtle or something to see there.
Fish, and then look for fish, we were watching it.
I was watching, I was trying to see. But all I seen is clear, pretty sand.
Where are you flying from?
I hear with my boy Cloyd here.
Yeah.
Cloyd, every morning you all pull in nets?
Every morning, sometimes 4 times a day.
4 times a day?
4 times a day.
Oh God.
Sometimes.
And it's mainly food or bait and in your kitchen?
Food and bait.
Because I'm seeing a lot of small fish in there right now.
Right now this sprat, we have them bonito running this sprat.
Okay.
But basically we catch like a lot of balahu.
Okay.
So them fellas go and make bait.
And you go out and take it and catch bigger fish.
Yes,
of course.
kingfish and thing.
So 4 times a day, man, say, you know.
4 times a day, I tell you. It's easy, but we had to do it, eh?
Yeah, you had to do it. And I want to ask you one last question. How are you feeling with the beaches being closed and all these restrictions and things?
I mean, they're trying to control the COVID thing, eh? But you could open the beach.
You could open the beach,
you could open the beach, social distance.
Social distancing, and let me be real, nobody ain't getting no big set of COVID at the beach and that kind of thing. And it's healthy.
Yes, healthy. The salt good for the COVID, man.
I agree with you 100%. Blessings there, my brother. Give me a
yes. What's your name?
My name is Alan.
Alan, well, send me back the drone.
Send me back the drone. You want the drone? Alright, my brother. Blessings. So I'm about halfway down the beach now, and it's really interesting to look at the impact of COVID on everywhere, but just this little beach on Grafton, there's this restaurant called Waves, which I have actually been to quite a few times, and a really decent little restaurant, perfect little location on the beach itself. And if you look at it now, nobody's been here dined in so long, and the place looks so run down and beat down at this point in time. It's really sad to see when you really look at it. It looks like such a ghost town, and this is what we've been living with everywhere in the world, but in particular in Trinidad and Tobago. So much closure, so many businesses, people suffering, people out of work, not even supposed to be on the beaches really, and can't even swim. You know, so I'm really hoping that there's a big change in the near future so we could all have a better quality of life. I understand that there's reasons these things are implemented, but truly hurt some people, many more than others, I imagine.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we. So let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny. Let's go.
So we have a nice little surprise here. We found the 2 baby leatherback turtles that actually went the wrong way when they hatched and crawled up near the road. So luckily we found them in time, and I spoke to the fishermen here. We're going to keep them in a bottle with some sand until the night so we can release them into the ocean safely without any birds or animals hopefully attacking them or giving them trouble. So we're going to keep an eye, we're going to have a look at them now and then put them back safely until tonight. You get them?
Yeah.
Hello. Oh my gosh.
Hello, Baba boy. He's trying to swim.
to the end of the beach here. The sun is blazing, as you can see. I'm taking some good licks on my face right now. It's a very straightforward beach. It's very flat. Along the center and towards the left hand end of the beach, if you're facing the ocean, there's a couple of rock structures that go out into the sea, and they're quite nice. You could swim in between them or around them. They form kind of like a natural pool. But yeah, it's very straightforward. During times when beaches are actually open or there's more availability to the public, there's beach chairs that can be rented. There's a lot more activity. So of course right now the beaches are very, very empty due to the pandemic. But fingers crossed, in the very near future, an open beach and people could go and have a little swim, wash off. I think beaches are vital to health, and living on an island, this is what we do, you know. There's people fishing, there's people swimming, there's people surfing. It's just a really good way to go and refresh your mind and chill out. Beaches are a part of who island people are, and I really hope in the near future that they allow us to visit these beaches again. And even if the other things remain closed or different things are restricted, I think beaches are one of the things that could be really vital to us maintaining a healthy, positive attitude until the pandemic is at least eased over. So thank you very much, guys. I appreciate you coming along with me as usual. Like and subscribe, share this video if you do like it, and have an amazing week ahead. Thank you very, very much. Peace out.
Thank you.